understood this. This is very important module which can help you in your life. Suppose we are starting any business, how we have to start it and what things are to be considered when we start the business. That is only the thing we are going to discuss in this topic. This topic is dealt in the main topic called as linear programming problems. Linear programming problem means using the straight lines, we are planning our business and finding whether the profit will be maximized or minimized. So this topic can be dealt in linear programming problems. In short, we say LPP. Here, we are considering two important things. We may be the dealer or maybe the owner of the factory. Suppose we are the dealer. We need to sell the commodities, and what commodities may be sold more in number and get more profit to you. That is a thing you have to consider when you are the dealer. So here, if you purchase two different materials, you are purchasing two different materials and you are seeing how the customers are purchasing and what materials they are purchasing more in number, so that you are getting more profit. For example, this is commodity 1, this is commodity 2. You are purchasing these two materials from some industries. After purchasing them, you are seeing that more quantity of C1 they are purchasing, commodity 1 they are purchasing, and commodity 2 it goes less. But together you get the profit. So within the amount what you have, suppose say you have 1 lakh amount. With this 1 lakh of amount, you are purchasing these two materials. After selling, you are getting some profit by selling C1 more in quantity. You are getting, suppose 20,000 is the profit. Suppose if you are selling more C2 and less C1, you are getting 10,000 as the profit. So you get the differences here, that by selling more C1, you are getting more profit. But only by selling C1, you cannot attract all the customers. You need C2 also. So by the adjustment of selling the materials C1 and C2 together, you are maximizing your profit. So this is one type. Another one, suppose you are the manufacturer, you are the factory owner. You need to consider very important things like first, where you have to start the business. So the location is very important. What business you have to start, what materials you are going to produce, how much more production you can make, how you have to fix the cost of the commodities, and the daily production, how we can increase. These things are very important. So for example, here the manufacturer may be a factory owner, or that means industry owner, or sometimes it may be food production, or maybe instead of manufacturer we can say you may be the transport owner. So these three different type of business also you can do. One, through industry you can produce more quantities. Any materials, you can say it may be furniture, or it may be any steel products, or say almara, chairs, benches, any materials you can say, TV, fridge, washing machine, all these materials come under industry. Suppose if you take the food production, you may be the owner of the restaurant. You may give two different quantities of materials with two different qualities. The people who want to buy the material with more cost, they will buy the same. For example, if you take dosa itself with two different types, ghee dosa, roast dosa, both will be different. So one may be of more cost, another may be of less cost. But the people, those who want first item, they will buy first or they will buy the second one, depending on the customers. So here, this food production, how we can increase the more production and get more profit. That is coming under the topic food. And next, transportation, allocation. For example, you are the owner of the lorry booking office. You want to transport the materials from one godown to some shops. Like that, another transport manager also will be having the same idea. He also may be sending the materials to the same shops, and how both of them can maximize their profits. You are running your transport office in Chennai and another one in Trichy. So from the two places, you are bringing the materials to some particular places. Say one place is Dindivanam, another place is Mayiladurai, and another place is Salem. So for these three places, you are supplying the materials from Chennai and Trichy. So how you can send the materials on time to them and get more profit from the transportation. These all things are to be dealt in the topic linear programming problems. So this is very, very useful topic we have to learn. So the rest of things we will discuss in the next module. Thank you.